Welcome! This is a big data analysis with Hadoop free. My name is Tomasz Żelek and I am a software engineer programming mostly in Java and Scala. I am a fan of microservices architecture and functional programming. I am involved in multiple big data projects, both in streaming and batch world. So let's see what we will learn throughout this course. So we will start from the HDFS and HBase, the Hadoop database. We will see how HBase is working, and also we will be implementing connecting to HBase from Java programming language. Next, we'll be performing data processing using MapReduce. So we'll try to understand what a MapReduce is and how it performs its processing. And we'll be using Apache Spark for MapReduce processing. In the third section, we'll be analyzing data using Hive and Pig. So those both technologies are the SQL-like interfaces atop of Hadoop. So we will be using them for performing analysis. In the last section, we'll be performing real-time events analysis using Spark streaming. So I'll be using streaming Spark framework for performing analysis of real-time stream of events. There are prerequisites to this course. You need to understand the Java programming language and also Scala. Basic knowledge of the Hadoop ecosystem is assumed.